Hi everyone, I hope you all are safe and doing great. Welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'll be sharing with you how I got this beautiful bold Kohl eye makeup look. Today's video is going to be an one brand makeup tutorial and all of the products I'll be using today are from Mamaearth. Today I want my base to look very nice, glowy and dewy, and for that I'm using this rice water and niacinamide moisturizer. It gives so much glow to the skin. Moving on to the foundation, and today I'll be using this Mamaearth Glow Serum foundation. It has vitamin C and turmeric. I'm mixing the shades 02 and 04 to get my perfect shade. It's a very glowy and dewy foundation, and as the name says, serum foundation, this is very lightweight on the skin. It almost feels like a skin tint. It has a buildable coverage. It feels really lightweight and hydrating on the skin, and it's pretty long wearing as it has vitamin C and turmeric in it, so it's gonna give you 2x instant glow. It gives you a dewy flawless base without looking greasy or cakey. Next, to set the cream products in place, I'll be using this Mamaearth Glow Oil Control Compact. This also has SPF of 30 with the goodness of vitamin C and turmeric. What I really like about this particular compact is it's talc free. It gives you a flawless matte base, but it doesn't make your skin look dry or crusty. You can use this compact on its own as well as on top of your foundation, and it works great. It sets your makeup products in place, but it doesn't make your skin look flat matte. Now, as I'm not gonna use any contour or bronzer today, so what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna take a darker shade compact and I'm gonna use it as my bronzer on the areas where I want to give some warmth back to my face. Now, instead of blush, today I'll be using a lipstick, and for that I'm using the shade Carnation Nude. This is the Mamaearth Moisture Matte Longstay lipstick. This has avocado oil and vitamin E. This is my current favorite nude shade and it looks beautiful as a blush. Now, Mamaearth products are 100% safe. They are natural and meat safe certified. They are vegan and cruelty free. They are free from any kind of nasties like sulfate, paraben, dye or mineral oil. Mamaearth is an Indian brand. They are plastic positive, and also every time you buy from them, they will link your order to a tree that they are gonna plant, and the exact geolocation, the picture and the species of the plant will be sent to you. All of these products are available on Nykaa, Amazon, Purple, Flipkart and also on Mamaearth's own website, and if you use my coupon code while purchasing from their website, you will get extra 20% off. This is not an affiliate code, so I'm not gonna make any money out of it. This is just for you guys. Guys, I have recently discovered this newly launched eyeliner from Momoth, and look at that. Oh my god, this eyeliner is so amazing. It's jet black and it gives you super precise application ever. This is my current favorite eyeliner. I mean, look at that. You guys can see it by yourself. This is so amazing. I would highly recommend this particular eyeliner. It comes with a brush applicator and you can totally create thick or thin line according to your need, and it just super black, it's matte and it looks so beautiful. It's long wearing. Guys, Mammoth is killing it with their makeup products. I so like their Kajal and now this eyeliner. They are my absolute favorite. And talking about Kajal, how can I not mention this Mamaearth Charcoal Black Long Stay Kajal. This is in the shade black. This is smudge proof, budge proof, very long wearing and waterproof, and it doesn't irritate my eyes. This Kajal is ophthalmologically tested and it's packed with soothing ingredients like vitamin C and chamomile. All products from Mamaearth are made from 100% organic and natural ingredients. Now, here what I'm doing is I first tightlined my eyes, then I used the Kajal on my waterline as well as my bottom lash line. Then I'm using an angular brush to smudge it out a bit so that my eyes doesn't look too stark. And as this Kajal is jet black, so if you smudge it out a little bit, it looks really nice, smoky and sultry. Moving on to the lips, and today I have two lip options for you. The first one is this one that I've already used on my cheeks as my blush, and this is in the shade Carnation Nude. Such a beautiful everyday nude shade. And And the next option is this one from their Naturally Matte Lip Serum range. This is their matte liquid lipstick range that has vitamin C and E, and this is in the shade 01 Caramel Nude. This is such a beautiful everyday nude shade and I love their formulation. It's so lightweight, it's matte but doesn't feel uncomfortable on the lips. This is very pigmented, long wearing and transfer proof. So yeah, these are the two lip options that I love using every single day and they are perfect for office or college. All of the products that I've used today, they are very comfortable to wear and safe to use every single day. All of the product details and links are mentioned in the description box, so don't forget to check that out. And also Mammoth has recently launched their official app where users can get early access to the sales and get some extra discount. So yeah guys, that's it for today's video. Thank you so much for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe and I will see you soon in my next one. Bye.